Hi guys, welcome to another video, and today we're going to make fluffy slime. So what you're going to need for this video is you're going to be needing Elmer's school glue, food coloring, you're going to need shaving cream, you're going to need water and borax mixed together, a bowl, and a mixing utensil. So first we're going to pour in the Elmer's school glue. Not too much. There. Alright, and next you're gonna need to add the shaving cream. You're gonna pop off the top and then like shake it real well. Then you're gonna put some of the shaving cream in. Not too much, because you don't want it to overpower everything else, like all the other stuff. Okay, just mix that together very well. The next step that you'll need to take is you're gonna need food coloring. Well, you don't have to use food coloring, but I am. I'm gonna use yellow. I'm gonna do 2 drops. If you want to do it very light, you do like 1 drop. Mix together very well. Alrighty. There we go. I feel like it's mixed together very well. Next, you're gonna need to have the borax and water. Now with the borax and water, the warmer the water, the better. Now I'm going to pour just a little bit at a time, because you don't need that much. It can just come together and stuff like that. Alright, I feel like it's coming together. It's just a little sticky. This is how it looks. Alright, now there, I'm pouring a little bit more. Just a little bit at a time. You don't need too much, as I said. Okay, now I'm going to go in with my hands. Okay, I think it was a little too soon for me to go in with my hands. But the more you do it, the better it is. Okay, so now I'm going to move my bowl over here. Let me move this. And I think it came out pretty well. I'm going to add in the rest of my slime. And this is fluffy slime. And it feels really good on your hands. And when you put it down, you can't really hear the popping noise, which I love the popping noise. Just put it all together, and I love it. It's awesome. It's pretty and beautiful. Alright. So, I hope you enjoyed my 3rd video. My next video, I'm going to do a slime challenge with me and my sister. And yeah, so I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and please subscribe and like it. And this is my sister. All right, now go. All right, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.